So yeah, GM guys, and welcome to this video. So without further ado, let's go into it. This is an Octra testnet, the testnet I was posting on the channel. Okay, so this is a visual explanation. Okay, so let's walk through the step one by one. So first, what you have to do is I set up the folks. All right, then you're going to see code. All right, so click on code, then click on code space. Okay, so once you're there, create a space. All right, create a code space. That's what you have to do next. So at this point, it's going to create a new tab for you, as you can see. It's going to create from this tab to create another tab for you to create a code space. Okay, so let's wait. It's setting up. Right, so it's going to take a while. So I'm going to pause this video. Once it is done, I'll resume the video. Right. So it has loaded up. So I'm going to copy the commands right now. Okay, so I saved it on Chrome. Okay, so I'm going to copy the command now so I can proceed. So the first step is copy this this command. Just copy the first one. Alright, so I'll head back to my MySys browser so I can proceed. Alright, so I'll come to this question mark here. I'm sorry, $sign I mean here. Alright, just click somewhere there. Alright, then you paste that code that you copied. Okay, so you paste the code that you copied. You see below it is running some commands. So from here, I'm going to turn my screen so I can proceed. Okay, so you can see it completely. It used to be on landscape mode. Okay, to be on landscape mode. Now, once you're here now, okay, once you're here now, this is not the code you put in next. Alright, so you're going to delete this, bun version. Then you go to the next one to copy on your. The next one to copy is bull install. Okay, so we deleted that bull version, so we're going to impute bull install. Okay, so come here, then click on enter. Alright, on your keyboard, you're going to see enter on your keyboard here. Alright, so you go there. So this is what, okay, yeah, there's a keyboard there, the blue stuff. This editing is not making me, So this enter button here, this one here, this blue one, click on it on your keyboard. Right, so you see it's running some code, right? So what's the next step to do? The next step is, let's go to that Chrome and copy the next step, which is this bull rebuild. Okay, so click on copy it, then go back to my MySys browser, paste it. Okay, then click on enter, right, to enter the command. And you're going to see it's doing something, so you have to wait. Then the next one is to start it. Okay, so you're going to go copy the start command, bone start. Okay, so we'll come here and paste it. Then click on enter. Okay, now we have to wait for it to generate. Just chill. Okay, so once it does, wait for this sign to show up. Okay, wait for this sign to show up. Open your browser. And once you have done all those commands, right, wait for it to show up. If it doesn't show up, you have done it wrongly. Go and copy the commands again and do it again. So once, geez, that stuff has gone off. These guys are, hold on, I have to redo this. I'm coming, guys, I'm coming. So once I get to that point, I will click open browser. Please don't forget to do that unless your steps will be gone. Yeah, I was trying to explain before. Hold on, guys, let me fix that. Alright, guys, let's write up once again. Okay. So please, when you're doing your own, don't take too long. It will go off. Okay, the first one is this. Okay, so allow it to load completely. Let it finish loading. Successfully done. Then the next one is bull install. Okay, so let it run everything. And the next one is bun run build. So it's running. And the last one is on bun start. Alright, so okay. So we'll wait for that to open in browser. So you have to be fast with that, okay? So you have to be fast. You have to be fast in doing that, so it doesn't go off like it did previously. So I'm connecting to the forwarded port. So once the page loads up, I will resume the video. So hold on, guys. Yeah, so we have generated our wallet, right? So here you're going to click on generate wallet, right? So once you generate the wallet, please save the passphrase. If it's a private key, save the private key. Just make sure you save it, right? Because this is the key to your account, right? So I'll pause the video and resume it, okay? So let me generate mine, save it, and I'll be back. Details and my passwords and everything. Alright, so we are going to be using the data to get faucet. Now, if you look on the list of that generated wallet, you're going to see a wallet address that starts with OCT. So you're going to need that wallet address, right? So what you have to do next is go to their faucet site. Okay, faucet site. Sorry, faucet. Alright, so you go to the faucet site. I'll provide the link as well, okay? So don't worry, you get the link. So on your site, that wallet address has started with OCT. Alright. So I'll start with it. Okay. That's what you're going to paste here. Alright, OCT. You're seeing it here. That's what you're going to paste there. Alright, so once you paste it there, you select, don't select this this is validator address now, because you're not a validator, you're not running a validator, alright? You're not running a validator, right? So once you're done, you just come here, right? Solve this captcha and claim test tokens, and you receive it. So then the next thing you do is join their Discord, right? So once you join their Discord and wait for the next thing to do by the team, right? So that is all for now. Stay safe, guys.